The Outdoor Recreation Leadership Program operates in the Million Acre Classroom of Plumas National Forest. We are surrounded by rivers to run, rocks to climb, peaks to ski, and single track trails to hike and bike. Our unique program trains people to teach and lead effectively in outdoor adventure environments. Students get the training and experience they need to work as outdoor leaders for businesses, nonprofits, and government agencies. Gain the skills you need to enter career fields such as trip leading, public land recreation management, search and rescue, trail building, environmental education, raft guiding, and many more.